Hi, welcome to this. There are few stocks in the कैश मार्केट जो NSE में लिस्टेड है और इनमें से ऐसी 4-5 कंपनीज जो मेरे रडार पे हैं, मैं इनको अभी यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ. लेट्स सी इफ दे आर एबल टू परफॉर्म इन द वेरी नियर टर्म, स्पेशली अगर 1-2 दिन में हमें अच्छी मूव मिलती है. दिस इज़ द पार्ट 1. और पार्ट 2 ऑफ द वीडियो, वहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ FNO के 3 स्टॉक्स के बारे में बात करूंगा जो मेरे रेडार पे होंगी एंड मे बी वो they will again perform in the short term. So of course, going forward, market में sentiment अच्छी है and there are a lot of stocks which we can consider. So as a result of which, but I'm going to talk about from a technical perspective. So these are the 4-5 stocks in the cash market which I think is going to do good in the short term. As usual, please take necessary precautions as they are risky trades, and please consult your financial advisor for any investment or any trading related queries. So the first company is BHARAT Dynamics, and it's very evident BHARAT Dynamics since the mid of April was able to hold this line, and this was true even after a correction which happened over the last few sessions in the small cap mid cap session. Here you can see ये 400 के ऊपर जाने की बहुत कोशिश कर रही है and we would be tracking the level of 404, and अगर going forward it's able to close about 404 and this is already near its all time high, so basically 430 and eventually 450 targets would be very much in the vicinity. और यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि in the past 480 levels were the levels which was touched in the beginning of 2001. So I'm pretty confident going forward we might be seeing this. So BHARAT Dynamics is the first company which I wanted to talk about. The second company is a favorite of mine, and this is also a good investment company. This is the BSE Limited. On a daily chart, you can see BSE Limited आज एक बहुत अच्छी closing दी है with good volume participation, and it was able to close above the resistance line actually, and going forward this I think is very, यहाँ पे ये एक अच्छी सी एक मूव बना के this was consolidating, and today is after a long time it was able to break this channel forward, and I hope in the very short term it would be able to move. ये मेरे radar पे 2-3 दिन से ही था and I was just waiting for a confirmation, and today with the bullishness in the market it was able to move and close at day's high. Going forward, अगर ये 1285, so right now it's at 1197 level closing wise. So अगर ये 1230 और 1250 ये region जो है यहाँ से अगर ये move कर सकती है, and especially if the levels of 1300 are taken out, then I would be definitely adding more. And going forward, this is my target is definitely 1400 and beyond for all time high. So my second company other than BHARAT Dynamics is BSE Limited. The third company I wanted to talk about is also a favorite of mine, and it's इसकी आज जो sectorial जो इसकी brother है FNO में बाटा इंडिया में all time high. हम बाटा इंडिया में already we were invested, and ये मैं 1700 लेवल से ही कुछ सेशंस से ये बोल रहा हूँ, and today also it was able to deliver. So I think going forward, Relaxo is one of the very good candidates. As you can see, जब भी correction आई है, it was from 1230 level से it's down to 1150 level, and it was able to hold this session, and here you can see this has been consolidating in a very tight range. ऐसा नहीं है कि it actually broke all those levels. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि there was a huge correction, and so it seems like there is a lot of buying interest, and definitely I think going forward this might be a very good candidate. Try to have a look above 1200 levels, and that would be a very good trade. और definitely अगर ये 1230 के ऊपर अगर closing देती है, I would be adding more, and I would be expecting it to be a very good runner. You can already see since long 2012 say it has been in a very good uptrend, and so going forward I think this would be a very safe bet for me. The fourth company I wanted to talk about is KSB Limited. and you can see on a monthly chart this is also near its all-time high. और अगर हम daily chart देखें so the same structure, I think going forward you have to be very much be looking for companies जो small cap mid cap correction में ज़्यादा correct नहीं हुई है, and that actually showcases that the people who have had their positions they are not liquidating and they are still expecting some good moves. So try to keep a watch for above 220 levels. For example, over here you can see that multiple times in the past it has come towards 1220 and it has faced some resistance over here. So ये एक रेजिस्टेंस जोन है, बट आई थिंक गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इट माइट बी इजीली टेकन ऑफ. और अगर ये 1240 और उसके ऊपर अगर क्लोजिंग देती है देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द स्टॉक्स विच कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर इट्स न्यू ऑल टाइम हाई. The good thing about today is if you look at an hourly chart for today there was not much of a move, and here you can see this level is so important. It has acted like a resistance, but no matter what, whenever it acts like a resistance बहुत ही minimal एक fall आती है and then again it's able to recoup, and this has been ongoing for some time now. So going forward I think there might be a end to this particular structure and very soon, and this is exactly the reason on an hourly chart you can see क्योंकि आज यहाँ पे ये जो consolidation हो रही है this is looking really good, and any move over 1220 is going to take it for a new highs. So KSB Limited is the fourth company which I wanted to share with you, and the last stock company in the cash market which I wanted to share with you is GALAXYSURF, and this is also a very good company. अगर आप ये मैं बहुत बार इस पे डिस्कस किया हूँ. So you can see that since a few months now ये एक बहुत अच्छी consolidation में है, and this is a very powerful structure. Going forward with the sentiment in the market and with the sentiment in general for good company, I'm pretty much sure that maybe the time is coming for Galaxy to move forward. Try to keep a look for maybe 3170 3180. You can be taking some positions over here, and of course you can be putting a stop loss at 2900. That's also a perfectly valid trade. But going forward I think this is one of the companies which should be doing good in the very near term, and going forward अगर ये 3222 levels ये जिसमें यहाँ पे इसकी explicit एक रेजिस्टेंस है, अगर वो इसको ब्रेक करके अगर चल पाती है and if it gives a closing above the levels of 3280 3250, then going forward this is definitely one of the companies which is going to make an all-time high. It's already very near its all-time high. So these are few of the stocks which I have in the cash counter, which is going to give you some trading ideas of the stocks which I am actively monitoring. And going forward you can see ये जो मैं blue line अभी draw किया, and so this has been acting like a support. So maybe you can keep this on a closing basis as your stop loss for your positions. यहाँ से ऐसा नहीं है कि this is going to work just immediately, but I think given the nature of the consolidation which has happened, I think going forward it won't be surprising if we can see a new good move and a breakout from this particular channel. ये channel अगर आप देखते हो, this has started from beginning of mid of May, and this has been ongoing for since few months, and I think the time is now ripe for it to break. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you some ideas, and after this I will post one explicitly. मैंने आज एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था about one particular stock जिसमें मेरी नज़र होगी, जिसमें मैं कल फर्स्ट ट्रेड लूँगा. ऑफ कोर्स ये जो मैं 5-6 यहाँ पे स्टॉक्स के बारे में डिस्कशन किया, दिस आर जस्ट फॉर us to keep a track. लेकिन अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है जानने के लिए कि मैं फर्स्ट कल 9-15 9-20 को कौन सी कैश कंपनी में ट्रेड करना चाहता हूँ, सो डू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव enabled your notifications if you're following me on YouTube, and you would be getting the video in the next half an hour from now. Thanks a lot for listening, and as always, please understand the risks involved. One company जो may actually last company maybe this is also this is Sumitomo Chemicals. इसमें भी आज एक बहुत अच्छी मूव आई है, and I was actually going through some of the presentations. The only thing which is sort of bothering me is it's a relative new company, and other than that, from a technical perspective, you can see this company has always been able to deliver, and here you can see this was a very good trade. So I wanted to have this company together with my first trade, so you will get more analysis of the Sumitomo Chemicals and the next and the another company. ये दो companies जो मैं अपने first trade में लेना चाहता हूँ, those two companies would be discussed in my next video. Thanks a lot for listening, and hope this video is going to give you some trading ideas. Bye bye.